report made by Joint Parliamentary Committee, it's written in that. Poison is being sold in the country and we remain silent. This is not acceptable. And who else will dare open one's mouth? If monk of the country too remains silent, then how can truth be saved? In the name of cold drink, poison was being sold in the country. And a thing worth a rupee, in 20 rupees, 2,000 times profit. Potato worth 3 rupees. And buying potato worth 3 rupees, 350 rupees was sold at 400 rupees. The farmer of our country was given 3 rupees. And by slightly processing it and hundreds of rupees, this nation's wealth is going outside. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you drink cold drink of any multinational, then you are being a traitor. Knowingly, unknowingly, of any multinational company, if you are eating potato chips, you eat chutney, you eat pickles of multinational, you eat salt, then you are not loyal to the nation. You will be called a traitor. Because the money you are giving to those companies, that is divided among Indians, that for example, if it's a profit of 100 rupees, then 10 rupees is given to Indians as alms to a beggar. And 90 rupees goes outside. Approximately every year, 90,000 crore rupees is being looted from this country. 90,000 crore rupees. Earlier too, the nation was looted. One who is called Thomas Roy, from Thomas Roy to Mountbatten. Even today we call him Sir Thomas Roy. Call him Sir, you should be ashamed. And call him Lord Mountbatten, who looted this country. They destroyed it completely. These people killed millions of people and destroyed the country's culture, country's civilization, country's tradition. Broke 7,32,000 gurukuls. Broke 24,000 educational centers. Completely destroyed Indian education policy, Indian religion, Indian culture, India's traditions, Indian life values, Indian ideals were sidelined. We honor these people even today because they had destroyed this country. Some people eulogize Britishers even today. Even today such traitors are there in this country who look like Indians, but from inside they are Britishers. That's why it is said, India was not harmed by enemy's sword. India was destroyed by India's traitors. Even today there is no dearth of Jaychands. Even today there is no dearth of Mir Jafar and Mir Qasim. Even today we are cheating the nation. And knowingly, unknowingly, if you eat salt of any multinational company, then you cannot be called a well-wisher of the nation. You eat their flour, everything of theirs. You just go and see in your kitchen. Go see in your bathroom. Bathroom is taken over by multinational. I don't think it is proper to take their names. But everyone knows that the name is Indian and the same company is looting this nation and no one should know. It is a terrible situation in this country. Therefore, among the people, the national self-respect is lost somewhere. There is no sense of self-honor anywhere. Therefore, rise and awaken. If you don't rise, it will be too late. Today, this country is being looted from all corners by multinationals. By selling goods of zero technology. Nation's food is in danger. Nation's daughter is in danger. If you are not alert, then, as I was saying, danger is lurking over your head. India's daughter, India's daughter-in-law. There are some multinational channels, it's their job to show them naked. It was India's culture to live together, divide and eat, live with love. But on TV channels, only such serials are made, which only shows that India's daughter-in-law, India's daughter, India's mother-in-law always quarrel. And in movies, when country's daughter is shown naked, then we clap. We see those movies and make them a hit.